Nature, the greatest and beautiful master. Yes, my dear friends, nature is supposed to be the greatest and beautiful master. When you look deep into nature, you will realize, identify and understand that nature is the greatest and beautiful master. Nature teaches essence of silence during sadness. Nature teaches the magnanimous during joyfulness. And nature teaches blessings for your actions. Nature teaches curse for your reactions. Nature teaches empathy and everything. Everyone can experience the beauty of nature when you identify the greatness of nature and realize the importance of nature. And ultimately, everything and anything is taught by nature, but we ignore it, unfortunately. Thank you. Bye-bye.